Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini and today we are going to see how to download a copyright images for free. Nowadays you can see we use images everywhere. If you download the images from Google and if you use it in your website, you are going to get a copyright strike. So now you need a images for free. So there are n number of websites. It is an open platform where you can download the images and use it in your websites, blogs, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, etc. You get n number of images in this particular websites. You get n number of websites where you can download the image for free and you can use it in your websites as well as blogs. I have listed out few websites where you can download the image and use it. Let me show those websites one by one. Here you can see 5 websites I have listed out. So the first one is Freepik. Here you can see the website name. I have given these 6 links in the description box. You can directly click on the link and open the website and you can see it. So the first one is Freepik. This is one of the website where you can download the images, but you can download only 10 images per day. Trust me, this is one of the best image downloading websites where you get n number of images to download. Let me show you once. Here you have search bar. You can type any of the image name. You can give any keyword here. I'll just give books and click on enter. Here you get all type of images over here. You can see n number of book images has been listed out here. So now I'll add few filters. Here I'll go with free image, popular image, then I'll go with horizontal image. I'll close this particular filter and check out the image. I'll click on this image, click on download. Once when you click on download, you get free download here. Click on this particular free download. That particular image will be downloaded in your downloaded files. So this is how you are going to download in this particular website. So this is about the Freepik. You can download only 10 images, but you are going to get n number of images and you have many type of images where you can see it over here. Vector, photos, you have premier version, you have more tools over here. So you can check out all these things by clicking on the link given in the description box. So the next one is, here you can see Foodies Feed. So this is one of the website, those who have food related websites, YouTube channels, Facebook pages, Instagram pages. You can use this particular website for downloading the images related to food. So here you can see many images over here. So here you have different options over here. If you click on this, that particular image will be opened related to that. I'll click on pizza. You have many pictures over here. Whichever picture you like, you can click on it and start downloading it. If you click on next page, it goes to the next page and you can see the image. So I'll click on this particular image. And here click on free download full resolution. So here you can see my image is downloading. So it is taking few seconds. So once it is downloaded, you can see it in the list over here. So here you can see the image of 9 MB. So this is about this particular web page. So this is only for the foodies. The next one is Unsplash. This is one of my favorite website. Here you get n number of images for free and you can download any number of images. Here you have different patterns over here: business, technology, animals. If you want to view all, you can click on view all. If you want to search particular image, you can search. I'll click on tree. So here you can see the tree images. Whichever you like, click on that. Click on download free. Before that, click on this arrow. Whichever the size you want, you can download. If you want small image, you can click on small image. If you want medium size, click on medium size. If you want large, you can click on large. If you want the original size, you can click on original size. I click on small image. So here you can see image has been downloaded. So the next one is, I'll go with any other. I'll click on this image. I'll start downloading. So this is how you are going to download an image. You can search a topic. If you want to log in, you can log in for free and start downloading the images according to your needs. Next one is Burst. This is one of the website to search. I'll click on the popular. Here you have many categories over here. I'll click on the popular category, beach. Here you can see the beach images. Even this is a web page for free. You can download n number of images for free. No limits like free pics. If I want to download this, click on this. Directly if you want to download here, you can click on higher resolution or low resolution. If you select high resolution, click on download. That particular high resolution image will be downloaded. If you want low resolution, you can click on low resolution and start downloading. I'll go back. If you click on collections, you get n number of collections over here. You can click on any category and start seeing the images. So here you have different categories over here under education. So here you have images. So check out this. If you want any tips, you can go see the tips. Business idea, you can see it. If you want to contribute any of the images of your own, you can start contributing it. So in all the websites, whatever we have listed out, you can contribute your images by uploading, and those images can be used by many people. So this is how you can contribute it. So if you want to search any of the image, you can search. So here you get books. I gave book has a keyword, so you get all the images related to books. So this is about this particular Burst website. So next one is Kaboom Pics. So this is another website where you can download the images. You can see n number of images over here. So click on it, start downloading it. So I'll click on this. So here you can see image related to ice creams. I'll click on this. So here you have three options: original size, medium size and customized size. In customized size, you are going to give your image size. Then start downloading. I'll click on free download for original size. So here you can see the image has been downloaded. If you want to search any of the image, you can start typing here. So here you can see tree related images. You can see here many images has been listed out. So this is how you are going to search and download in this particular website. The last one is, I thought of giving 5 website links, but one more I got, so I'm just showing this. So this is one more website, Life of Pics. The link is given in the description box. You can check it out. If you want any of the images, you can start typing the keyword. You are going to get that. Or else if you want to see the latest one, you can go check out the latest one. Click on download. That particular image will be downloaded over here. This is about the websites. The website link is given in the description box. You can check the website, and whichever the image you like, you can download it and use it in your blog, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, as well as website also. Let me show you the images that I have downloaded. I'll click on show all. Let me open the folder. So here you can see all the images that has been downloaded here. Let me make it large. So here you can see all the images that I have downloaded from the websites. So these are few images I downloaded during the demo. I'll click on open. Here you can see the image, a clear image. You can see it over here. So this is how you are going to download the image. If you want to edit it, you can edit it according to the pixels and size and quality. According to the size and quality you want, you can edit it. So this is about today's video. If you like this video, please hit a like, share it with your friends, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.